we'll do anyways. Okay, so yeah, padding is good. But one more thing, what if I can decrease the opacity of this background, because this is too sharp. Okay, I want this to be blend with it. Okay, so this is not looking good. Okay, I'm making it one. We'll see what more we can do. I can take out this mail us outside. Let me see how can I do this. So should I take mail us and make background color for it? No, I have to make this, so I should take h1 outside of it. Let me see now. Yeah, this is now good. Let me see what yeah, this person has done the same. This is good. What more we can do? We can add a margin to this after this input, because they are so overlapped, right? So I'm adding margin. Where it is, I'm adding margin bottom. Margin bottom, how much? 10 pixels. Let me see. Okay, this is looking so great, right? uh okay, okay, you can also increase its size then. Yeah, good. Now I want one more thing. I want a background for this form also. Okay, let me make a let me make a background for them, for this section also. But I am not be doing a background, I mean to say, not doing a background image, but a small opacity for a background color. Let me see, is it work or not. For that, content and position, absolute. If someone don't know this syntax, they he or she can also remember it. It is very simple. But if you can understand it, then it is very fine. Background color to be this, height to be 100%, then z index -1, and opacity will be, sorry, opacity will be 0.4. So in mailer section I'll make it a position relative. Let me see if it works. Okay, it has worked, but it is not looking that great. I can do something. I can add a padding in mailer section here. I can add a padding of 3 percentage. Okay, so now this is good. But what if I can change it by light blue type color? Let me see which color I can change it into. Where it is? Yeah. Okay, so this is blue, but I want okay. Let me see how much will be enough. This is good. I'll just copy and paste here.